Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Ali Abbas with Stock Diary 41. If you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. Let's get ahead with today's post-market analysis. So the 920 candle showed the VWAP at 53,100. It was a slightly gap up opening and then immediately it just came down, held the range, and with this level it just couldn't sustain over it, and from there the breakdown came below this. I was looking for a price action somewhere over here. I took a put, made some points, and then again it moved back up. So ended flat basically from where the closing was of the previous day, and it ended over here. So let's get to the level. So 53,100 was 53,100 call option. As you can see, there was absolutely no trade given here today, and no indicator was triggered. So the call side was pretty dry. We got a trade on the put side. So we had a trade on 52,800, 53,100. The premiums were just above 400, so I wasn't looking at that. And once this premium came below 400, I started tracking this, and I kept a alert which triggered over here, as you can see. And the alert came at 110, where the buy was at 303. The first and second target met at 327 and 351. So two lots booked here, one lot booked over here, and then the stop loss was trailed to cost, and then we got out on this candle. Good thing we trailed the stop loss, otherwise the risk would have eaten up all the profits and put me into a loss. So that's the trade for today. I'll take you now to the Excel sheet. So here we are, guys, the sixth trade of this month. Today, Thursday, 1:10 p.m. was the buy, where triggered 52,800 put option at 303, booked two lots at 327, so we collected 48 points cumulative, and one lot was booked at 351, where we collected 48 points again. So the total was 96, and that brings our monthly total to 440, which is 14.67% of our target. Target is 3000, and we're at 14.67%. Let's hope for getting at least 20% by tomorrow. Another 6% to add over here. So I will be looking forward to tomorrow's trades. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to know more about this indicator on TradingView, please do message me on the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Thank you.